If your coins have been tanking and you're feeling the pain, just know, you're not going through this solo. But no worries, we're about to turn the tide starting right now. I've come up with a method that can help you recover way quicker than you'd think. Don't click away though. The smallest moves that seem like nothing? Yeah, those are the real needle movers. Ready to unleash your project and go full throttle? Then you've definitely hit the right spot. I'm going to break it all down for you so your debut is smooth, calculated, and packs a punch. But don't sleep on it. Windows like this close faster than you think. First things first, let's check out what's going down on Pump Fun, because the scene there is totally wild. Tokens are launching left and right, but 90% of them flop before they even get going. Any project with real potential, it disappears almost instantly. The early crowd, most of them have already dipped. Now it's just a flood of rookies tossing in cash without thinking it through. If this ain't your first time in the game, you can tell this isn't where the smartest moves are happening anymore. Just like I said earlier, the meme coin frenzy is still running wild with zero slowdown. With everything flying at warp speed, releasing your token now might get it completely lost in the non-stop noise. Throwing funds at random meme coins expecting a miracle? That game's over. Now it's all about real strategy, and Radium is proving itself as the go-to spot for smart movers. When you line it up with Pump Fun, the difference is obvious. Radium just handles better, feels more responsive, and gives you way more power. And those unpredictable liquidity spikes? They're not accidents. They're a key part of how the system works, and I'll show you how to use them to your advantage. Radium's added some much-needed structure to the chaos, which means real tokens finally have a shot at getting noticed. The vibe in the market is still alive, so it's a decent shot to take action. The only catch? If you're not confident with dev stuff, expect a bit of a learning curve. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I've spent the time testing the options, and honestly, Moontool is the most user-friendly launchpad for Radium I've found. It's gaining momentum fast, and more builders are hopping on every day. First time launching? No problem. Already a veteran? It still makes things easier. There's zero coding involved. I'll walk you through everything step by step, easy as it gets. Step 1. Make your token pop with some killer visuals. Open Canva and set your canvas to 128 by 128 pixels. Find an image that's bold and grabs eyeballs, something quirky or totally off the wall. I picked a funny scene from Star Wars: The Clone Wars because it made me laugh hard. Center it, download it from the corner, and just like that, your token has personality. Next step. Open Moontool and connect your wallet so we can get things going. I'll be using Phantom because it's always smooth and super consistent for me. Now type in your token's name and symbol. Mine? I'm calling it Clanker and going with B1 for the symbol. Got a short phrase or brand line? Add it in. It keeps your project looking polished. Upload the image you prepped, hit next, and you're already halfway finished. Now we set the supply. This is step 1 on this screen. Easiest move? Keep it at a cool 1 billion tokens. That number tends to work best for meme projects, no cap. Once you've dropped that in, hit next, and let's keep moving. Now you're on the creator setup page. This part lets you drop 0.1 Sol if you want to attach your name or details to the token. It's completely optional, so don't stress if you want to skip it. Personally, I don't bother. I'd rather hold on to that Sol. Once you're ready, click next and keep it moving. Next up is the spot where you can drop your social links. Stuff like Telegram, Discord, or your website. If you've got them set up, feel free to plug them in. If not, no worries. Your token will still show up fine on Radium. I skipped this part myself because I didn't have my links ready yet. Totally optional. This next part's huge. You're deciding what kind of control your token will have after it's live. You'll see 3 options show up. If you leave any of these authorities enabled, some people might be turned off from investing. Here's a quick breakdown. Freeze lets you lock someone's tokens. Minting means you can create more supply. And update authority gives you permission to tweak things later. The easiest way to build trust? Leave all these options as is and hit Launch My Token Now. Time for the final stretch. Your wallet will prompt a few approvals. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Just click through and confirm each one. After that, your token's minted and live on the blockchain. Pretty sweet payoff, huh? That's what following through delivers. With your token launched, the last thing to do in Moontool is click the final option. It'll take you straight to SolScan. There, you'll be able to see your contract live and confirmed. But that's just step 1. The next big move is creating your liquidity pool. That's where your project really starts to gain traction. Now it's time to set up liquidity. Without this, your coin can't be traded. In Moontool, click the second link and you'll land on Radium's liquidity page. Connect your wallet. I'm a Phantom fan for speed, but you can use any wallet you want. Click this button at the top. Then find your token address in Moontool or SoulScan. Both are fine. Paste it into Radium. Enter your token name and symbol. B1 and Clanker, for me as you know. Click Add User Token, and the 1 billion should show right away. Start your liquidity by adding 900 million tokens to the pool. Pick Sol for the quote token, since it's key. Next, add a bit. Something between 0.4 and 2 is good. Be careful not to use it all. Leave around 0.2 Sol for fees. Make sure the fee tier is set to 2% to keep trades running clean. You can tweak this part. The default fee is 2%, which usually does the trick, but feel free to experiment with 1% or 0.5% if you're feeling adventurous. It's all about what fits your plan. After that, click Initialize the liquidity pool. Approve the transaction, and just like that, your token's liquid and live on the market. Now go back to Photon for a moment and make sure you've got Radium checked in the filter settings. If you don't, your token might not appear on the list. Radium attracts way more users than Pump Fun, giving your launch a much-needed edge. Stay alert. We're just about done. Ready to see your token live? Snag the address from Moontool or SoulScan, whichever's easier for you. Open Deck Screener for real-time updates. Click any token on the site, swap its address in the URL for yours, and boom, the chart loads up. You might notice bots messing around early on, but once the chart trends upward, that's your momentum kicking in. Keep tabs on it. I've got one more tip to share. Jump into Radium and head over to your portfolio tab to check your liquidity status. Make sure you've got standard mode turned on so the info is spot on. If it doesn't show right away, no stress. It can take around 15 minutes to sync up. Just chill and be patient. We'll come back to this later, but for now, keep an eye on the chart. Guys, I've been chilling here for a whole hour just watching the scene unfold. And let me tell you, liquidity held up way better than I expected. Seeing the way things moved, the purchases rolling in, the occasional sell, it was a full-on show. We had a combo of low and high buys. Really told the story of this launch. You can see it all right here on the graph. I'm honestly hyped with the outcome, but enough looking back, it's time to keep pushing forward. What's next? Oh, you'll want to stick around for that. Ready to withdraw your earnings? Go back to Radium and make sure your wallet is hooked up. If it's not, just tap the connect option in the corner. Set your view to standard mode, find your liquidity position, and click the minus button to remove your tokens. That's all there is. Push the slider all the way to 100% to pull out everything you've got. The amount of SOL you'll receive shows up right below. Next, tap Remove Liquidity, approve the wallet prompt, and just like that, it's handled. The system does the rest automatically. Want fast gains? This approach is one of the best out there. Roughly 90% of tokens launched this way skyrocket fast. Our token did the same, and riding the wave, or launching another token, only stacks the deck in your favor. The early movers get the wins. Those who wait miss out. Stay locked in, follow the steps, and strike fast. Timing is the key. See you soon.